Hello, my friends. I'm waiting for Telmo. He spent last night at his friend's house. Oh, that's my cell phone. Where did I put it? I'll just wait until it rings again and see where the sound's coming from. I've got it. I think it's coming from the bed. I left it there this morning. It's right here. He just sent me a text message letting me know he's about to get here. He must have not heard the alarm clock this morning. If he takes too long, we'll start without him.
Hello, my friends. Hello, Tula. Forgive me for being late.
Telmo, this is no time for you to be getting home. We were waiting for you.
I'm sorry. I spent the night at a friend's house. It's raining and I couldn't find a taxi to come home.
When it's raining, it's really hard to find a free one.
Why don't we make a super taxi?
Good idea. Today's project will be making a papier-mâché taxi.
Let's look at the materials we need.
Clay.
Newspaper.
A paintbrush.
White glue.
Plastic paint.
Markers.
Poster boards.
Scissors.
And water.
Now let's get started.
What do you say we choose a typical taxi found in Barcelona?
I love their pink and pistachio colors.
Telmo, don't be so tasteless. They're yellow and black.
Let's look at the first part of our project.
We make the shape of a car by using clay. We cut some strips of newspaper, and we take the strips and add a mixture of white glue and some drops of water to them. We place the strips one by one on top of the shape of the car till we've covered it completely and we let it dry.
I'll start cutting the strips of paper and you can start making the mold.
You got it.
Listen to this news. Very good. A dinosaur has been found taking a bath in the park fountain. When asked what he was doing, he replied that he was very hot and that he didn't fit in the bathtub of his house. His name is Dino and he's a friend of Telmo. They busted Dino taking a bath in the park.
That's not true. You made it up yourself.
Oh no, it's the truth.
Let me see that.
Okay, just a second. Here, you can read the news now.
That's not fair. I can't read anything like that. You made this up.
Don't get mad, it was just a joke.
Well, then give me another page of the newspaper. I want to read some news, too.
Alright, take this one because it's full of news.
Look at this one. A hamster walked into the dog pound this morning and opened up the cages, letting the dogs escape. He ran away with one of them. There's a reward for anyone who could find a clue regarding his identity.
I'm sure it wasn't Paquito. All he knows how to do is eat.
Alright, let's stop reading the news. Continue cutting the strips because if not, we're never going to finish.
While I cut the paper, let's look at the second part of the project.
We empty the car of the clay once it's dry. Cut the leftover paper from the base with the scissors until it's nice and even. Then we paint the car black and yellow with plastic paint. We draw the details with a black marker. Be careful not to tear the paper when you remove the clay. What do you say I hold the car while we take out the clay?
All right. Oof, that was not easy. I'm tired now.
Don't worry about it. Now it's time to paint it, which is fun and not tiring at all.
Oh, don't get too close. You're infected with something strange. You're going to contaminate me.
It can't be because I feel really great. Thank goodness, they're little pieces of clay. I'm not sick. Whippy!
Well, I wanted to pretend I'm sick too. Now we both look the same.
Yes, we can contaminate each other.
Why don't we call Grown-up to see what he does when he sees us?
All right. Grown-up! Can you come here for a second?
Grown-up, we have a bad headache. I think we managed to fool him. I'm sure we'll get to miss school tomorrow.
No, Telmo, we'll tell him the truth later. Ah! We deserved it.
Yes, we shouldn't lie to grown-ups about something so serious.
Let's go for the last part. While it's drying, we'll make the bumpers in the taxi sign by cutting and painting some poster board. When everything is dry, we'll glue the details to the car, and that's it.
I'm gonna make the bumpers. They're important because they protect the body of the car from little hits.
I will make the taxi sign, and I will write the word taxi with the marker. It came out really nice.
Yes, but now we have to try it out.
Try it out, but how?
You'll see. Grown up! Can you come here and please bring Paquito with you? What's the matter, grown up? Are you sad? Well, I've prepared this game that you're gonna love and will make you happy. Grown up, let's try out the taxi. You can be the police officer. Paquito will be the driver. Put him on top of the car, please. We can play now. Of course, remember to drive with caution because Paquito is on top. And obey the officer. Taxi! Taxi!